Does the good girl want a shower? Stella, you having a good time? Good girl? Are you enjoying your shower? You look so peaceful. Did you have a nice shower? We're all done. He's just biting.
You're so cute. Mwah. What happened? Oh my goodness. Thank you. Hello. I love you. I love you.
Hello. Peeky room. Peeky room. Oh, it's good. I love you. Beep.
Okay, I've got a recipe called Chicken Bombs from food.com. This recipe serves 5 and takes about 45 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
What's up, man?
Good girl. You look beautiful. Oh.